looking out for the opposition. We don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Wiggins hair. Okay, once meet, never forget. Alright, so that's what it says on the bag. This is the packaging that I got. It's in this red drawstring bag. Alright, so let's see what we got. Okay, so firstly I'm seeing the wig, which I'll get to in a few. So for goodies today, I got a pair of wig cap. I got an elastic band. I got a headband. This is a real pretty print. I also got this edge brush and comb. Got this elastic band that's branded Wiggins hair. I got a pair of lashes. That's how it looks. So that's everything in the bag. Guys, oh my gosh, it's the first time I'm getting a color wig. Like, oh my gosh, this is different. This is like golden, but they said this is a ginger brown. It's a 22-inch ginger brown body wave wig. So this is a different kind of body wave. It's like nice, big, luscious spiral curls. This, guys, one thing I can't tell me, the hair feels super silky. Okay, I can't recall, you know, collaborating with Wiggins hair, but I can tell you this wig looks good straight out of the package. The hair color is different. It's really nice. Obviously, you can see that it's an ombre vibe, so it's like a dark brown to like a golden yellowy, but they said that it's like ginger brown. That's what they regard the wig as. But oh my gosh, this is it's real full. It's 200% in density as well. It came with this center part here, and also the front is lightly pre-plucked. So oh my gosh, and they even added a little bit of streak. The detail, I love that. Oh my gosh, this wig is different for me. So this is how it looks on the inside. It's a 13x4, as I said before. If you want, you could definitely go in and bleach this and tint it to your liking and stuff, but you know, you could do the quick way and just use some powder or foundation in there to camouflage to your scalp color. In the cap, there's 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. Oh wow, I'm so ready to go ahead and put this on. So let's go, guys, let's go. This is so different. Like it came style for you already. Like I really don't have to go in and do anything to this. I'm gonna try my best to not disturb the curls because I want to, like, you know, kind of like unravel it and give it that nice, you know, fluffed out, loose wave vibe. Oh my gosh, that's too nice. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut off from the sides where it's a little too long, and I'm going to use my olive oil fix-it spray for my adhesive.
But we got sticks for real. We're looking out for the opposition.
So you see I split it in the middle just like when I'm going to apply glue, but it's just a way to kind of just simplify everything. So now I'm going to go in with my spray, and I'm just going to speed through this portion, you know. I'm going to be as neat as possible. I don't want to disrupt these curls at all because they look too good.
Don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no fly in the mirror. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I know is ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie your legs. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees and I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young Betty Wiz. He was a part of the gang. No, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my hair. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right up, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling, I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my hair. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right, I push the. I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.
I'm just gonna go ahead and use my wax stick to just get the top of the wig nice and flat. Okay. Everything so far it was super easy to install, by the way, like super easy, like, and that's because it's already pre-styled. So you know, if you're a beginner and like you're following like a video like this, for example, step by step, applying it should not be a lot of work, because they pretty much do so much for you already in terms of like styling the wig, you know, pre-styling it. So from the moment you take it out of the package, it is ready to wear. I love the fact that they also did this little streak, like they carried the color and streaked it at the front here. It's really pretty, and as I said, I can't recall me ever doing this combo, like it's a yellow gold kind of look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my hand and I'm gonna just comb through these curls. Okay, so just to let you guys know, I think I'm getting so much shedding because I did cut from the sides here. So let's go through it again, but I'm getting minimal shedding. At the end of the day, this is processed hair. But guess what? Even though this hair is processed, let me make it clear, it's not coarse. It's very silky. Like they did it in such a way where it's still very silky. So you see how pretty that is? Oh my gosh. They did their thing. The movement, everything is absolutely gorgeous on this wig. The color job on this, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Wiggins here knew exactly what they were doing. The wig is very nicely constructed. The color job is well executed. It's a 10 in my book. So there you have it. If you're looking for a colored hair or wig like this, I highly recommend it. The texture, it's very silky. It's very smooth. It's soft. There is minimal shedding, so just know that. But the movement, the body of the wig, it's gorgeous. It's lovely. The look is really nicely styled. Everything is a 10. So shout out to Wiggins here once more. Yeah, look at that. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like the video, share the video. That's it for today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Okay, my timing is critical. Then on my rhyming is pivotal. Homie, the